The second anniversary of Brothers Coaching Academy. And today we have different branches students. Warmly I welcome to Matas branch, Pirkalas branch students, and as well as the main center students. I warmly welcome to them and most welcome. Okay guys, today is a very special day for all of us. Today, inshallah, we will present the journey of this institute, that how did we start this institute. Because you know that in the starting, everything is extremely difficult. It's not easy. And there is also one sentence in English, we say that the difficult roads lead to the destination. The difficult roads lead to the destination. Like when you start something, when you begin something, so in the starting, you will have a lot of problems.
Allah is the most merciful and almighty. Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm gonna present my journey. That's how I got admission here and how we didn't join this academy. So how was I? You know, when I didn't join this academy, so I didn't know anything. Even I couldn't talk, I couldn't stand, I was nothing. But when I joined this academy, so I got a lot of knowledge from her.
Ladies and gentlemen, today I wanted to talk about a quality that I believe is essential for making a positive impact in the world: leadership. Leadership is not just about holding a position of power or authority. It's about inspiring others, empowering them to take action, and working together toward a common goal.
My name is Hafsali. My father name is Enacad. I come from Bhirpur now. I belong to and I will join the Brother Coaching Academy branch, Pirkala.
Today, I'm standing in the front of you to talking very special, and that is my English learning journey. Today, I'll present it for which method I learned the English language. But first of all, I'm very thankful to all the teachers who gave me this opportunity in this short time. Today, I stand in the front of you. After that, I introduce myself for those who don't know me. So it's me, Farhan Akhtar, son of Akhtar Nawaz. I come from Tahikur Kalashabek and I'm a student of Brothers Coaching Academy, Pirkala branch, level 3.
First of all, I'm going to introduce myself. This is me, Hafsali. I'm the student of MPC and I belong to Shebqadr Halize. Today, I want to talk about something very important. It's about negative people. You know, what you do in life, the people will always have something to say. There is no such people who will not hurt you. Everybody will hurt you. If you are nice girls, they think you are showing up. If you are simple girls, they think you are poor. If you stay quiet, they think you are awkward. If you speak your mind, they think you are rude. You are mental, they don't think you are brilliant. If you are successful, they think you are arrogant. If you are too strong, they try to break you in small pieces. If you are too kind, they take your advantage. If you do however, they ignore your words.
په دې هجوم کې ناس یو داسې سټوډنټ د مټې اکیډمي برانچ سره تعلق ساتي، مهران چې عام غریبي کورنۍ سره تعلق ساتي. او که تعلیم زه تاسو ته ووایم نو تاسو به بالکل نه منئ. د مټې په اکیډمۍ کې زه ناست یم، دا ماشوم ما ته راغی، دا یو دیاړمار ماشوم دی، تعلیم یې نه دی کړی، سکول یې نه دی ویلی. زه ناست یم، دی ما له راغی، وی سر زما انګلیش لینګویج سره ډېر زیات شوق دی، خو ما سکول نه دی ویلی. او چونکې ما ته فاینانشلي مسلې هم دي، زه په فیکټرۍ کې دیاړمار یم، کار کوم، ما ته ټایم هم نه میلاویږي. سهار چې زه فیکټرۍ ته لاړ شم، ماسخوتن زما چوټي کېږي. زه باندې اکثره خبره کوم چې ما ته یو ګنټه وخت راکړي، هغې کې به زه انګلیش لینګویج زده کوم. خو سر زه یو خبره کوم، تاسو خو د اکیډمۍ د برانچ مټې ته راوړو، کسوکوی او کنوی دا سنٹنس ماته مهران یاد دی کسوکوی او کنوی کستاسو د مټي په اکیډمی کې یو سټوډنټ وي بځای ما چې د مهران د جنون د شوق وکړه نو هغه ما ډېر اپریشیټ کړ او ما ورته ویل ان شاء الله ان قریب کامیابی ستا قدمونه ښکلوي او نن هغه ورځ ده چې الحمدلله مهران یو برانډ دی او زمونږ د برادرز کوچنگ اکیډمی یو شایننګ سٹار دی نو زه مهران ته په سټیج باندې دعوت ورکوم چې هغه راشي او تاسو ته په انګلیش کې خپله جرني بیان کړي چې په فسټ ډے باندې راغی دغه کانفیډنس لیول څنګه و دغه سپیکینګ لیول څنګه و دغه فلوئنسي څنګه وه او نن مهران څنګه دی نو ستاسو
Before journey, I want to introduce myself. This is me, Ali Mehran, and I'm a student of Brothers Coaching Academy branch, and also a hard-working laborer. Today I'm here to share with you my journey, my struggle. This is me, Ali Mehran, and I'm a student of Brothers Coaching Academy branch, and also a hard-working laborer. Today I'm here to share with you my journey, my struggle, and the lesson I learned that nothing is impossible if you are determined. When I started learning, I couldn't even introduce myself properly. I used to sit in class quietly in a corner, not understanding anything. I felt lost. Can you believe or not? I felt lost everything. Everything means my courage, my motivation. But deep in my heart, I knew one thing. I want to change, I want to grow, I want to speak confidently. But there was a trouble with me.
I'm Uruj and my father's name is Muhammad Yunus. And I belong to Brothers Coaching Academy, Pirkala branch.
My name is Muskan. I'm a student from Brothers Coaching Academy from Pirkala, and I'm from Shirkut. Dear audience, today I'm here to speak a few words on self-confidence. That what is self-confidence and why it is important. So, self-confidence is very important in our life. It's me believing only in yourself. It gives personality to do any work. It's make our personality. It's make our personality. Self-confident person does everything without facing any fear. But we all have fears. We all have fears. Fears of known, fears of unknown, fears of losing people, fears of money. Sometimes we
So first of all, I'm going to tell you my journey. Therefore, was my journey from level 1 to level 4. So before 25 June 2024, I couldn't speak English with fluency. When someone asked some question from me, so I couldn't give answer with fluency. And when I used to take some word, but still I made some mistake. So then I joined the Brothers Coaching Academy, and Sir Sajid motivated me, and he gave me chance to stand and speak something in front of someone. So